So I have this hammer, and this pick is pretty much useless to me, so my plan was to always cut this off and put another head or something onto it. But right now, I need a high crown hammer, and I don't have any. So the first thing I did is I laid out center, and I checked to see how round it was. It wasn't very round, so I went in and I cleaned it up. You can see where I cleaned it up. And then I put these circles into it with a 1/4 inch step in between the two. And now I'm going to slowly go in and grind and create a 4-inch diameter face. So it'll actually be a 2-inch radius face on this. That way I can have a high crown hammer to try and fix a mistake that I made on a part. So let's recrown this hammer. So what I'm doing is just going in and ring by ring, I'm doing a little bit of grinding from the edge out. As you can see, I purposely overground the outside, and that way I can work it down to it. And I'll just take this sweep and I'll go over it, and I'll just continue to work from ring to ring and back out until I have this high crown in it. That's all it is, just using the flat wheel for right now and just roughing in that new crown. So we got the crown roughed in. It's real close. Real close. So now I'm going to come in. I've blued it. I'm going to take a file and I'm going to start finding some of the high spots and work them down. And then I'm going to set the burnisher up on the corner of the table and polish it. And we'll see how it looks. I'm also going to take the file and cut the rough corner where the radius meets the flat profile of the side, and I'll ease that. You can see how much crown it has. Still have a few sand and scratches. I shouldn't have buffed it so quick, but it's good enough for me to try out. So this is an 8-inch radius. There, you can see it's got more crown than an 8-inch. And you can see how much crown it has versus flat. So now I can make my donut dolly, and we can try it out. But that's how I reground this hammer from near flat to a 4-inch diameter radius, high crown.